Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a few things that I think are going to be super helpful for you. I'm Lloydetta, your trusted financial partner and a licensed enrolled agent, which is the highest credential awarded that earns the privilege to represent taxpayers before the Internal Revenue Service for all tax matters. So I'm here to step in on your behalf through tax representation and to help you with solutions beyond taxes. Again, it's Tuesday and it's time for a few tips. And we're going to talk about a few tips that can help you save on taxes. And these are sure, simple, and safe ways to do it. All right, so we know taxes can be stressful and overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's talk about some of these ways that you're able to save money on your taxes and not get overwhelmed. The basics. The amount you pay the IRS each year is determined by your tax bracket. And then your tax bracket is based on your taxable income and your filing status. But again, there's several ways you can lower your taxable income without taking a pay cut, like putting more money in retirement or deducting student loan interest that you paid throughout the year. We're going to talk about three ways today with a few bonuses that can help you save on taxes. First is going to be HSA contributions. Then we're going to talk about taking advantage of tax credits. And then we'll also talk about maximizing your retirement contributions, which is very important and sometimes overlooked. Number one, we're going to start with the HSA. HSA contributions are health savings accounts, and this allows individuals with a high deductible health plan through your employer to save for upcoming medical expenses. HSA offer a triple tax savings since funds go in tax-free or tax deductible if you've opened your own account. They can grow tax-free by investing the balance and can be withdrawn tax-free if used for qualified medical expenses like deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance. Plus, any remaining balance from HSA throughout the year will roll over, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Now, there are some limits, and the limits of pre-tax funds that can be contributed to an HSA for 2025 are $4,300 for individual and $8,550 for family, plus an additional $1,000 if you're 55 and older. So they definitely look out for someone who is now just understanding how this works and want to take advantage of it, and you can make a catch-up contribution to increase the benefits of that type of account. Number two, we're going to talk about taking advantage of tax credits. So tax credits are dollar for dollar reduction in the amount of the money you owe, right? So making them there makes them more potentially valuable than a tax deduction. However, some examples of what a tax credit would be is earned income credit, child tax credit, and education related credits like American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. So as a bonus tax tip, friends, education credits are per student and they're claimed on the return even if the primary taxpayer and each of their three dependents, for example, are all students. Now, again, qualifications will apply, so you have to get with a professional, and if you don't have one, we're definitely here to help. Next, we're going to talk about maximizing your retirement contributions. This is one of the easiest and most beneficial ways to reduce your taxable income. This is a way that you're able to contribute to a pre-tax retirement account, such as a employer-sponsored 401k or a traditional IRA. And by the way, you're able to open a traditional IRA without being employed, just so that you know you don't have to do it through an employer. With pre-tax contributions, you're essentially taking less out of your disposable income now, and then your money grows tax deferred, though you will have to pay taxes once you withdraw those funds in retirement. But again, we're talking about ways to reduce your taxable income now so that you pay less tax now. In 2025, the contribution limits for the 401k is 23.5 with an additional 7,500 available for those 50 and older. And the total contribution limit for traditional and Roth IRAs are 7,000 a year with an additional 1,000 available for those 50 and older. Again, those catch-up contributions for 50 and older are available so that you can kind of take advantage of putting money away for retirement. And this, as another bonus, the Roth IRA is where you put in after-tax dollars, and when you get ready to withdraw those funds during retirement, you'll be able to withdraw those funds tax-free, and that's both on the growth and the earnings. So that's one of my favorites, and as a bonus tip there. So what you don't want to do is let this be you. And guess what? It doesn't have to be. Let it be someone else. And for you, this is where you want to be. You're now ready to get to your wellness and peace, so go ahead and dance. You deserve it. At Ethical Tax, we're not just another tax preparer. We're your financial partners in freedom from the slide before. And we want to see you dance. So this is not just about taxes. Again, this is a safe place for Black women entrepreneurs in the health and wellness space who need real answers, real support, and real relief. We're the team that brings solutions beyond tax. We're here to advocate, to strategize, to get the results. You don't have to navigate taxes or tax debt alone. We've got you. If you have any questions about tax representation, if you owe back taxes, if you have tax years that are not filed and you need to do that, reach out to us. We're wanting to help you. We're here to help you. We have a team of individuals ready to serve you. And you can find all of our information in the link descriptions below, as well in our bio. So thank you for checking in with us today. We look forward to talking with you again, and we'll see you on the next one.